Today I'm going to show you a very delicious ice cream recipe that's figs ice cream, and it's perfect for the summer season, and it's very delicious and easy to make at home with very little ingredients. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 cups of heavy cream, some figs or anjeer that are chopped into small pieces, half cup of condensed milk, and some chopped walnuts. So the first thing that I want to do to make this instant figs ice cream is add this heavy cream in this blender. And once you add the heavy cream, I just close it with a lid and turn on the blender for about a minute. So now it's been a minute and our heavy cream has become thick, and I'm going to also add the condensed milk now. After adding the condensed milk, I'm going to add half the figs and keep the remaining half here. And again, I just close this lid and blend it for another 1 minute only. It's been a minute now, and let's check on our ice cream. It looks good to me, and now I'm going to transfer this into a box. So now I'm transferring this ice cream into this. So now I'm going to add some crushed walnuts to give that crunch. You can also add pecans or almonds. Pecans or almonds taste equally good, but I'm just adding the walnuts, and I'm going to also add some chopped figs as well. So after adding this, I'm going to mix everything again. So after mixing everything well, I'm just going to close this lid, freeze it for about 1.5 to 2 hours so the ice cream can set. My figs and walnuts ice cream has been freezing in the freezer for about 1.5 or 2 hours, and now I'm going to check on my ice cream. So let me check on my ice cream. I let it thaw for a few minutes because it was really hard. And here's my delicious and easy ice cream. So I'm going to have one more scoop. I'm just going to top it off with some warm caramel and a few walnut pieces. Like I said, you can also use pecan or almonds. This is an eggless ice cream and is ready in just 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this simple summer special ice cream recipe made with walnuts and figs. Do try this at home because it's very quick, instant and delicious. And do add your comments to my channel, Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Tune in till next time for more videos. Thanks and bye-bye.